These Hotop Kids Fridge Locks with keys offer a simple yet effective way to childproof your home. They come in a pack of 4, and each lock includes its own set of keys. Installation is quite easy because they feature a self-adhesive backing. You don't need any tools or drills, so you won't damage your walls or furniture. These locks aim to prevent little ones from easily opening refrigerators, freezers, drawers, and even some doors. The design of these Hotop Kids Fridge Locks with keys is fairly straightforward. Each lock has an adhesive pad that sticks to the surface, and a cable that loops around the handle or edge of what you want to secure. To open it, you simply use one of the provided keys. This system is designed to be easy for adults to use but difficult for toddlers and babies. They can be a good option if you want a visible deterrent, and the need for a key adds an extra layer of security, unlike some magnetic or spring-loaded locks. In conclusion, the Hotop Kids Fridge Locks with keys provide a practical solution for parents or tenants wanting to enhance child safety. They are easy to install, and the inclusion of keys makes them more secure than some other types of child safety locks. While they might not be as seamlessly integrated as some hidden magnetic locks, their ease of use and the added security of a key make them a worthwhile option to consider for securing areas around the house, especially where a strong visual deterrent is acceptable. Pros: 4-pack, with keys, self-adhesive, for kids, for toddlers, baby-proofing, mini-size, safety. Locks, for fridge, for freezer, for drawers, for doors, latch style, black color, easy to use, no drilling, strong hold, multi-function, good value. Cons: keys can be lost, adhesive may fail, not for all surfaces, can be picked, may not deter older kids, visible on surfaces, single hand use difficult, leaves residue if removed, limited to flat surfaces, size might be small. Features: 4-pack of locks, comes with keys, self-adhesive, child-proofing, baby-proofing, mini-safety. Locks, for refrigerators, for deep freezers, for drawers, for doors. This Hotop 4-pack includes black mini-safety locks with keys. These self-adhesive locks are designed to child and baby-proof refrigerators, deep freezers, drawers, and doors. The pack contains 4 locks to help keep kids safe and prevent them from opening things they shouldn't. This Hotop 4-pack of black mini safety locks with keys uses self-adhesive to child and baby-proof fridges, freezers, drawers, and doors with a latch. These easy-to-use locks require no drilling and offer a strong hold for safety. While they are a good value and multifunctional, the keys can be lost, the adhesive might fail, and they are not suitable for all surfaces or older kids. Plus, they may leave residue. They are visible, can be difficult to open with one hand, and are limited to flat surfaces with a potentially small size.